Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I wanted to go ahead and open this because my curiosity is killing me. However, my husband is working downstairs, so I'm going to do it upstairs here at my table desk. So I apologize, it's not the same kind of feel, but it is as close as I can get right now. But as many of you know, this is the golden envelope from Foxy Fix, and quite possibly one of their last golden envelopes. And because they are changing their business model and such, and so I wanted to get one last order, and I have a new Apple iPad on the way with a new Apple Pencil, with the second generation Apple Pencil. And so I wanted to get a Apple Pencil holder for that as well. So I ordered the Apple Pencil holder and an A6 folio, perfect fit A6, because I have a couple of needs for some regular notebooks, and I've been using the Stology A6 notebook, and and I have a couple of notebooks from Hobonichi, the Day Freeze, that I've been using. So I wanted another cover for that. So here we go. I have no idea what's in here. With their mystery sales, you never know. Okay, we're going to do the Apple Pencil holder first. Ooh. And most of you who know me would go, oh my God, she got pink. But you know, that's okay. I don't mind it. It's got like the fox diamond there, which is not bad. And it's not like a hot pink. This ballerina pink, I actually have a pocket ringed notebook in this. It's sugar mochi. And so the sugar leather in the mochi color. So it's all right. It's not bad. I certainly hope the A5 is not in it, though. It's not that I don't like it, but it's like I would prefer something a little different. So here we go. Ooh. Okay. I am super excited about this. Ooh. Yay. I think this might be one of the spice leathers. And, oh yeah. Oh, that is awesome. Does have a little scratch on the front there, as you can see, but that's okay. It looks like that is actually part of the leather, part of the hide. It's not like a scratch. So, and I'm never, really light with my notebooks. So that is perfect. I love that. Love that color. And I think they had some that are the new, that were colors that were not released before. And I am not sure. It's probably maybe it's definitely a gray, like a steel gray. So, sadly, if they don't have it up, then I can't really tell, but I am more than happy with that. That actually goes really well with it, but I just needed something to put my new Apple Pencil in, and I can show you. This is my current Apple Pencil. This is the original. And so there's that. I have no idea what the size is for the second generation. So this one actually fits in the case that fits with the iPad that you guys are being filmed on right now. But either way, this works great. And I also figured that if for some reason this it doesn't fit the new Apple Pencil, I can always use that for my black wings. Because I do have pencil tips that go on the end of a black wing, which are very long pencils. They have the big square at the top. But I find that those do come off pretty easily. And I wouldn't mind just putting in one of one of the hard tips at the end of this, and then just being able to slide it in and out. So there you have it. That is my Foxy Fix Mystery Sale, and I'm very happy with it. Very excited that I got in on their last one, so that I just love. So that's going to be perfect for what I need to use it for notes and stuff. And I also have 2 wallet inserts from Odd Girl Journals, Keely Reichman, and those are coming in, and I should get them in a couple of days, and so I'm going to add to this. So here we go. Okay. All right. We are now going to open my, these are 2 of the wallet inserts from Keely Reichman, otherwise known as Odd Girl Journals, and I love the stickers that she'll put on there. So this is a personal and a standard insert, and I got these in her last sale, so it's taken about a month for me to get them, which is fine. I wasn't in a huge hurry. And her stuff is always worth the wait. And these are the 2 that I love. I'm so excited. So this is the personal, and it has a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. Then you've got a pocket here, and you've got the zipper pocket there. So this is for a personal. You could also even use it in a weeks. This is my Hobonichi Weeks. I do actually have a version of this for the weeks, but just to kind of give you an idea, that is the size compared to a weekly. So there's that. And then this is a standard. And I love how precise she is with her designs. So again, this has the pocket there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, and then the pocket there, and then the zipper. And like I said, this is for the standard. And I don't have, I'm up in my office. Oh, this is just a no-name brand that I had gotten off of the web. But, so that's the size of the standard. And I dump all these. Here's the Cocoa Daisy standard insert. And so it's just a little bit smaller. And there you have it. So it just kind of wraps around there. And then you've got the zipper pocket and all the pockets there and that. The one thing I love about her inserts are they are so super thin. So, but they're sturdy. These things can take a beating, and I just love that. But these are well worth the wait. They are beautiful, and I just love how she takes the time to position everything and make it look so good. And you all know that I'm a huge comic book fan, and so yeah, these were well worth it. So that's my happy mail. As always, spend the rest of your life celebrating, because it is worth every moment. And I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing of these little goodies. So there you have it. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.